phenomenal to think back. You know, Brian, captain Ireland, finishing as how he did as a Six Nations champion, and then Leo, of course, captain Leinster to 3 Heineken Cups. It's kind of hard to believe they've come from the same school. You know, the school is incredibly proud of not just the rugby players they are, but the ambassadors for the game they are, the way they've come back and contributed, and all the good things they've done for the school.
Both Brian and Leo have shown that you can achieve so much. I mean, Leo was the quiet guy, as I said, who was, you know, one of the group, and he's gone on to be a great leader, a great captain, a great ambassador for the sport, with huge respect. Brian was the guy who didn't quite make the junior team. He made the senior team, but he didn't quite make the junior team, and yet he went on to become a world superstar. And I expect the lesson for all the kids here, and that is that just because at a certain age you might not be seen to be the best, if you apply yourself and you go about your business, anything can happen. So the two of them are really the kind of guys you like to have in a school, to be able to say to everybody, look how far you can go.